Hi, Leo. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're going to talk about something super important in English, starting a conversation.
Great, I really need this. Starting a conversation always makes me feel awkward.
It's awkward for almost everyone, even native speakers sometimes, but it gets easier with practice. So today, we're going to practice real-life conversation starter situations.
Perfect. What's the first thing I need to know? Oh, but before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to practice English with us every day.
First rule, keep the conversation light, simple, and friendly. Starting a conversation isn't a deep conversation. It's like a warm-up.
So, no heavy topics like politics or religion.
Exactly. Think about the weather, weekend plans, routines, hobbies, work, safe topics.
Okay, that sounds much easier.
Great. Let's start with a classic conversation starter, the weather. It sounds silly, but it always works.
I've noticed that English speakers love to talk about the weather.
Oh, they really do. So imagine you meet someone in the elevator. What could you say?
Maybe, what nice weather today?
Perfect. And if it's not nice?
What bad weather today? Or, it's raining heavily.
That's it. Short, simple, natural. And the other person will probably respond with something like, yeah, I know, right?
Easy to start with. What's the next topic?
Another great conversation starter is weekend plans. People love to talk about their free time.
Okay, so what would I ask?
Try, do you have plans for the weekend?
And what if I want to answer?
Keep it simple. I'm just relaxing. Or I'm visiting family. Or nothing special.
I like that. Sounds natural.
Great. Now let's try a mini conversation. Ready?
Let's go.
I'll start. Hi, Leo. How's your day going?
Great. Just busy with work. And yours?
Cool. That's exactly how a quick chat works. Short answers plus short questions.
I always forget to return the question.
That's normal. But in English, the golden rule is ask back. It keeps the conversation interesting.
Good tip. So, what other topic do you suggest?
Compliments. These are great for starting a conversation.
Oh yeah, like, I like your shirt, right?
Exactly. Simple compliments sound very natural in English, and the other person usually says, thank you.
And then I can continue with a question.
Yes. For example, I like your bag. Where did you buy it? Or, those headphones look great. Do you recommend them?
So, compliments plus questions equals informal conversation starter.
I understand.
Actually, I'm already feeling more confident.
Great. Let's add one more topic before the break. Work or study.
This one is tricky for me.
It's easy in informal conversations. Just ask something very general. What do you do? Or how's work going? Or is it a busy week for you?
And I answer simply, right?
Exactly. No need for long explanations. Something like, yeah, pretty busy. Or this week wasn't so bad.
Yeah, I can do that.
Great. In the next part, we'll practice casual, everyday conversations at work, in the store, at a party, and much more.
Awesome. I'm ready.
All right, Leo. Now we're going to practice small talk in real situations.
Perfect. Real-life practice is what I need most.
Let's start with a common one. Small talk at work. Imagine you arrive in the office and see a coworker.
Okay, what do I say?
Something simple like, good morning, how's everything?
And if they ask the same back?
You can answer, pretty good, just getting started, or doing well, thanks.
Sounds easy.
Here's a full mini dialogue. I'll be the coworker. Morning, Leo. How was your evening?
It was nice, just relaxed a bit. How about you?
Perfect. That's exactly the rhythm. Short phrases, friendly tone.
I always think I need a long answer.
Not at all. Small talk is like playing ping pong. Quick, back and forth.
Nice comparison.
Now let's move to small talk at the store. You're at the counter paying for something.
That always feels awkward for me.
Not anymore. Try this. Cashier? Hi, how are you today? You? Good, thanks. And you?
That's it?
That's it. Maybe the cashier adds, Busy day? And you say, a little, but not too bad.
Wow, so much simpler than I imagine.
Most small talk really is. Now let's practice small talk at a party, the classic situation.
Oh no, parties are my nightmare.
They're easy in English. People at parties expect small talk. You can use basic questions like, how do you know the host? Have you tried the food? Do you live nearby?
Those actually do sound simple.
Let's try a quick scene. I'll be someone you just met. Hey, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time at one of these events?
Yeah, it is. And you?
See? Natural. You're doing great.
I didn't feel nervous in that one.
Good. The key is not overthinking. Remember, small talk doesn't need brilliant answers, just friendly ones.
I like that. Takes the pressure off.
Now let's talk about small talk when meeting a neighbor. This is classic in English-speaking countries.
I guess I would just smile and say, hi?
Perfect start. Then add something small like, beautiful day, right? Or, how's everything going?
Easy. And if they keep talking?
Keep it short. Something like, yeah, I'm just heading out to run some errands.
What if I don't understand something they say?
Great question. You can say, sorry, could you repeat that? Or, I didn't catch that. What did you say?
Good, because sometimes I panic.
No panic allowed in small talk. It's all low pressure.
Love it.
Okay, one more situation. Small talk while waiting, like at a bus stop or waiting room.
That feels extra weird for me.
Try something simple like, have you been waiting long? Or, do you know if the bus is usually on time?
Those feel really natural.
That's the point. Small talk is meant to be light and easy.
I'm starting to feel like I can actually do this.
You definitely can. And in the next part, we'll put everything together, practice advanced small talk tricks, and end with a final conversation challenge.
Okay, I'm ready for the next round.
All right, Leo, are you ready for some more advanced small talk skills?
Let's do it. I feel like my small talk confidence is rising.
Good. Now we're going to learn follow-up questions, which keep a conversation alive in a natural way.
Ah, yes. I always struggle after the first answer.
Most learners do, but it's easier than you think. Here's the rule. Repeat a keyword, plus add a simple question.
That sounds too simple, Anna.
It is simple. Watch. Someone says, I went to the beach yesterday. You reply, the beach. That sounds nice. Which beach did you go to?
Oh. Repeat the key word. The beach.
Exactly. Let's practice. I'll say a sentence. You give a follow-up question.
Okay. Hit me.
I tried a new restaurant last night.
A new restaurant. Nice. What type of food do they have?
Perfect. Next. I've been really busy with work.
Busy with work? What have you been working on?
That's fantastic, Leo. You sound extremely natural.
Honestly, this technique helps a lot.
See? Small talk is just building tiny connections. Now let's learn the second technique. Share a small detail about yourself. For example, oh yeah, I love trying new restaurants too.
So I shouldn't just ask questions?
No, that makes you sound like a police interrogator. You want a balance. Question plus small detail.
Got it. Something like, you like hiking? Nice. I don't go often, but I want to start.
Exactly. Friendly, simple, human.
I like this. It feels more real.
Now let's practice a complete small talk conversation. I'll start, you follow. Hey, nice weather today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice. A bit windy, but I like it.
Same here. Are you heading to work now?
Yeah, I am. It's a busy morning. What about you?
Just going to get some coffee. Did you sleep well?
Pretty well, thanks. And you?
Actually, not great. I went to bed late. Perfect. That's natural small talk. Nothing deep, nothing complicated. I'm going to give you 3 daily situations. For each one, try to think of one small talk sentence you could use. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
Situation 1. You're in an elevator with a stranger.
Maybe long day so far?
Excellent. Simple and typical. Situation 2. You're waiting in line at a coffee shop.
It's pretty busy today, right?
Perfect. Very natural. Situation 3. You're sitting next to someone on a bus.
Do you know if this bus stops near the mall?
Great. That's functional small talk. Very useful. Leo, you've improved so much in just one episode.
Honestly, I feel way more prepared now. It's not scary anymore.
That's because small talk isn't about perfect English. It's about being friendly, simple, and open.
I love that. I can definitely use this in real life.
And that's the goal. Thank you all for listening, and don't forget to practice small talk a little every day.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye for now, and keep speaking English confidently.